In this AutoCAD tutorial, we will teach you how to move objects to 0, 0 origin coordinate. First, let's start from scratch by creating a triangle and a circle, and then we will move them both. Type in DS, then press Enter. Go to the Dynamic Input tab. Under Enable Pointer Input, select Settings. Select Absolute Coordinates, then press OK. Select your object, then type M and press Enter. This will activate the Move tool. If your object is a triangle or a square, click its bottom left corner. Now type in 0, 0 and press Enter. This will move your object to the origin coordinate. To move a circle to its origin point in AutoCAD, you need to select its center at the middle, then also set it to 0, 0. All done.